Everyone, welcome back to table topic series. And the table topic for today is: who has been the most influential person in your life and why? Who has been the most influential person in your life and why? So let's talk about the influential person in our life. The topic explores the person who had been most influential, who had the most impact on your life. It could be any person, it could be fictional person, it could be any character or anyone. Throughout the life, someone makes impact on us and that shape our lives and we become who we are. So this topic is about that. uh, why this topic is important? Well, this topic prompts us to reflect on the person who had created a profound impact in our life and what are the qualities is that we admire. So we get to think about what were the qualities that we admire a lot and that shaped us who we are. So this topic is about that. And so what's the takeaway from this? What what can we take from this topic? Well, this topic again, this is a reflection, or this is a reflection on our own lives, that who had the most impact on our life, how we become who we are today. And and if I and once you recognize that, who had the impact on you, then you get to know more about yourself and you get to remember the person and just come back, just get to remember that person, and uh, you just reflect on it and you make your life better. And if I talk about the most influential person for me, it there hasn't been any single person in my life, because throughout the life I have learned from a lot of people, and then all those people created an impact on me and shaped me who I am today. So be it like teachers from very early classes who made me to excel or encouraged me eh, to do lot more what's required. Be it my parents, be it circumstances, or be it be it in like seniors in my college. There were many people who inspired me and uh, to become what I am today. So, to sum it up, the most influential person in your life, this topic, it serves as a reminder to who we admire and who had the most impact on ourselves, and what are the qualities that we are preserving because of that person. Thank you.